Hello everybody, I have a PC gaming headset headphone hook holder hanger mount. Universal fit built-in cable clamp organizer by EURPMASK. As you can see, I'm getting the instructions out. Clamps on the desk up to 1.57 inches thick, narrow as 0.31 inches. Spring clamp is easy to remove and to reattach. 360-degree rotating hook can be adjusted to your desired direction. Swings underneath your desk. Comes with very good instructions. I would really recommend this for gamers who would like to have everything organized on their desk. You can actually purchase this on Amazon. Cost about $19.99. As you can see, here's a website. Pretty good device. Easy to build and to attach underneath your desk. You can also hold the cables and organize it underneath with this clamp hook. I'm going to show you an example of my gaming control. Here you see we have the controller and the headphones perfectly fitting on the hook. If you guys want to purchase one of these, don't forget to go to their website and get this right away, because this is a very good device to have. Any questions, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe. Look at this, perfect fit. See you guys soon.